Have you ever found yourself juggling multiple projects, trying to keep track of how much time you've spent on each one? It can be a real headache, especially if you're trying to build clients or manage your team's workload. Today, we're diving into a question that many people have been asking. Does OnPay offer time tracking? Let's find out. What is time tracking? Before we get into the specifics of OnPay, let's quickly define what time tracking is. Essentially, it's the process of recording the amount of time spent on a particular task or project. This can be done manually using a pen and paper or with the help of specialized software. Why is time tracking important? There are several reasons why time tracking is crucial for businesses and individuals. Here are a few key benefits. Improved productivity. By tracking your time, you can identify where your time is going and make adjustments to become more productive. Accurate billing. If you're a freelancer or consultant, time tracking is essential for accurately billing your clients. Better team management. For businesses with teams, time tracking can help you monitor employee productivity and allocate resources effectively. Enhanced project management. By tracking the time spent on different project phases, you can better estimate timelines and budgets. OnPay. A brief overview. Now that we understand the importance of time tracking, let's take a closer look at OnPay. OnPay is a popular online payment platform that offers a variety of features to help businesses and individuals manage their finances. But does it include time tracking capabilities? Does OnPay offer time tracking? Unfortunately, as of now, OnPay does not have a built-in time tracking feature. While it's a great platform for processing payments and managing invoices, it's primarily focused on financial transactions rather than productivity tools. Alternative solutions. If you're looking for a time tracking solution that integrates with OnPay or offers similar features, here are a few alternatives to consider. Dedicated time tracking apps. There are numerous time tracking apps available on the market that can be used independently or in conjunction with other software. Some popular options include Toggle, Clockify, and Rescue Time. Project management tools. Many project management tools, such as Asana, Trello, and Basecamp, also include time tracking features. These tools can help you manage your tasks and projects while keeping track of your time. Accounting software. If you're already using accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, they may offer time tracking capabilities as well. This can help you streamline your financial processes and track your time in one place. Choosing the right solution. When selecting a time tracking solution, consider your specific needs and preferences. Factors to consider include ease of use. Look for a tool that is intuitive and easy to navigate. Features. Determine which features are most important to you, such as manual or automatic tracking, time reports, and integrations with other tools. Cost. Consider your budget and choose a solution that fits within your spending limits. So, to answer the question, does OnPay offer time tracking? Unfortunately, not at this time. However, there are plenty of other excellent options available that can help you effectively track your time and improve your productivity. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.